Okay, students, for beginning Google Sheets, which is different from Google Docs, once again you're going to be in your Drive in your Computer 7 folder. So you're going to go up to New, and then you select the green one here, which is Google Sheets, okay? So you're going to select that. And this lesson is going to be named 3.1, okay? So then you can hit Enter. Now the next step in this process is you need to go to the second to the last page. So the second to the last page in your pamphlet or on your iPad, whichever one you're using. And it says 3.1 Figure A. It's a master field trip list. And you're going to type that out. Now when you're done typing it out, it'll look just like this, okay? So you're going to type all this out. Once you're done typing it all out, then you go back to step number 8. Alright, so we're going to go to step number 8, okay? So, what step number 8 says is we're going to go up here, and if you hover on your mouse, do you see how it changes from here's a mouse, then it's a handprint, and then you get right in between them, it's a double-headed arrow. So what you're going to do is you can double click on that, and it makes the column perfectly the right width for you. So once you're done with that, you can then move on to the next step, which is step number 9, okay? So step number 9, you're going to click anywhere here in one of these cells. So here's A1, here's A7, anywhere in one of the A cells, and you're going to go up and click Insert and Column to the left. And now you're on step 10. So in step A3, you're going to type the word month, but you're going to do it with a capital M. So type the word month, just like that. And then if you type September and hit Enter, okay, now here in step 11, this is one of the greatest tricks you're going to learn right here, okay? So you have the month of September. So if you click up here and sit right in the middle of cell A4, so it's selected, if you go over to the right corner, right here, you see how your mouse, it's a mouse and then it turns to a black cross. If you click and just hold down on your mouse clicker and scroll down right next to the whale watch right here and let go, do you see how it fills in all the months for you? That's called the autofill button. It is my favorite button when it comes to Google Sheets. It is perfect in every sense of the word because it does so much work for you. It can do numbers, it can do months in a row, it can copy stuff. It's a great feature. So step number 12 says we're going to bold. So in order to bold in Google Sheets, it wants us to bold cells A3. So here's A3 and we're going to go over to C3. So I'm going to click down right in the middle and I'm going to go right over to C3 and let go. So all three are selected at once, and I'll go up to bold. So there I have it bolded. Alright, then it says bold and increase the font size of cell B1 to 14. Alright, so I'm going to click on B1 right here, and it's already at 14 for me, but you guys might have to select size 14, I'm not sure. And then I'm going to bold it. Okay. Then, in step C, it wants me to center it, okay? So I'm going to go up here, and it's underneath the horizontal align in Google Sheets is where you're going to find the centering tool. So here's left, here's center, here's right. I want center. So there it's right in the middle. It tells me to use the undo button once, and then use the redo button once. It just wants you to remember the undo button. In case you make a mistake, you can always hit the undo button, okay? It wants me to resize column B. So I'm going to go right up here, and I'm going to double click on column B right there to make it wide enough. And look at that. I am completely done. So you can go ahead and turn this into Google Classroom. Should be an easy assignment for you. Good luck.